This is the air washer. This whole structure is the air washer unit of 4 lakh cmh. Let's go inside. I will show you 4 separate blowers are there and one plenum. They are connecting with the plenum. So here we are. Now we are inside the air washer. We have 4 blowers and each blower has a 1 lakh cmh, 30 kilowatt power, and push bar is there to on off in case of emergency. And this is the plenum where all these 4 blowers are connecting. This is a chain pulley arrangement. This is a chain drive for the blower, and these are the cable trays for motor, fans. This is the plenum at the top, and these are the supply ducts coming out of the plenum box. These are the eliminators. After pre-filter, air passes through the cooling pad, and from cooling pad it passes through the eliminator so that no water passes through the fan. Towards the fan, no water passes. This is the water sump. We have float valve, and all the dirt are accumulated in the tank, sump tank. And this is a cooling pad which is in contact with the sprinkler. This water needs to be cleaned monthly basis so that the fungal formation and pH level should be maintained. These are the pipelines. This is the eliminator. After cooling pads, all broken. Pump for circulating water to sprinkler. There are 2 headers at this end, cross section, and above from top. So we have, these are the air filters, pre-air filters. After these air filters, air passes through the cooling pads. These are the cooling pads, as you can see, from top up to the end, and below is a sump tray, water sump. All the water circulates from the sump to the sprinkler. There are 2 headers, and these are the pumps. 2 pumps, one on standby and one working at a time. And these are the eliminators. After passing through the cooling pad, air passes through the eliminator, and then the fan. Fan sucks and throws to the supply ducts. These are the fans placed on the foundation and rubber pad. And these are the dampers provided, and then the canvas connection.